What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So if you have been a long-time follower or a first-time viewer, we have something fun to talk about today. If you, again, know us, we have done a ton of videos on all different brands and variations, including Apple's very own MagSafe wallet and accessories. Today I'm going to tell you why I'm going to throw those to the side. There's no shortage, basically, of different wallets out there that do similar jobs, but very few do all of them together, which brings us to today's video sponsored by ESR, and that is their new ESR MagSafe wallet. As you guys can see right here, this not only looks great and is multifunctional with 5 card slots, even including one for your license. Let me just cover that up on the inside there. But it has a unique feature. And no, I'm not talking about even the little loop here. No, has nothing to do with that. This baby has MagSafe built in, as well as Find My support. So yes, this works just like AirPods and even new AirTags work. This makes it able to be found in the Find My app and has a ton of versatility. One piece of the puzzle that can't be ignored either is a lot of people say, well, why don't you just use an AirTag in your regular wallet? Well, first off, not only is this going to add added thickness to any extra wallet you have, but then you're going to have to purchase an AirTag, then a wallet. Whereas with everything integrated right here, not only is it just cleaner and neater, but the price and the savings from buying just the actual ESR wallet is a game changer. You're going to have one item, much cleaner design, and you're going to save money in the process. I was able to take this out and use it as my daily wallet for the last week or so, and I have a ton of takeaways. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. So like I said in that introduction, the ESR MagSafe wallet that works with Find My is one of the best I've actually seen, from the leather look to that versatility and even being able to include that finger strap. It's really a game changer. You only need to charge it once in a blue moon and the battery does last forever. It comes with that included cable. Again, this is the brown one. I actually do not only have the brown one, but the black one that I have not opened yet. So, like I said, that is the brown one. Let me set this to the side and show you what comes in the box. And this is, again, that midnight black colorway. So let me go ahead and get my trusty knife here. I should have just opened it up from the top. We'll just push it out this way now, though. Nice packaging, as you can see here. Unleash the full power of MagSafe. And you have a thick quick start guide right up top. It's actually kind of crazy if you look at this. This is a massive reading material for a wallet. That just shows you the level of care and thought that went into this. And then once you open it up, you are greeted with the wallet, and here is that midnight black colorway. Again, looks very nice. You can see exactly at advertising that interior card holder spot, and again, the actual card holder slot where the majority of your credit cards or carry cards will be. As a side-by-side comparison, you can see exactly the color difference between the brown and the black, but they are essentially identical aside from that. So we'll set this down for a second, and then the only other thing really in the package is going to be that charging cable, and you can see exactly what it looks like. It is a USB Type-C cable to that proprietary adapter that just snaps right in. It does not take that long to charge or recharge if you need, but it does help with that aspect of Find My support, and I will show you a little bit more about that in a second. In order to pair it, it is super easy. You're literally going to press that button that we talked about inside here. You probably heard that chirp, and as soon as you do that, let me set all this to the side for a second. So like I was explaining in that introduction, you have a card slot right down here that will hold a few cards. It'll actually hold up to 4. I have 3 right here, and you can see it grips it. No problem. It is very secure, and you have that little finger spot to push them up when you need. In addition to that, like I said, you have a couple of ID slots in between there. And again, let me go ahead and pull it out and block it for security purposes. But yeah, it works perfectly fine. And this spot actually does even hold 2 cards. I have my Tesla key card here as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that back in, and you can see now exactly what it looks like. And obviously you can see my ID is back there also. Nice texture here. You have one little power button down here that will go into for pairing the other one, but it is that minimal. You have that magnetic charger, like I said, to top up when needed. And one of the best features here is just how strong these magnets are. You can see this baby is not going anywhere and is definitely well built. Not only can you obviously keep it standing up at your typical vertical angle, but you can also swivel it to make it horizontal, and you do have a ton of different aspects of angles you can look at and use. So this is hands down going to be one of the best options out there if you are looking for a new wallet. Like I showed you in that video, I love MagSafe wallets. It covers everything I need. I don't even use another wallet. This is it. This is what I carry around on a daily basis. So as you can see right here, it actually says ESR Halo Lock Geo Wallet Stand, and we're going to go ahead and hit connect. We'll name it if we want. We'll say Andrew's Wallet 2. Continue. You can pick any emoji you might want as well. We'll leave it like that. And just like that, it is all set up and ready to go in the app. Sorry for all the blurriness. It's obviously for privacy reasons, but it is that easy to actually get it linked. And now, as you can see here, we do have a play sound option. And it gets loud. So you can now ping it. I'm going to go ahead and stop it anywhere you need right from the app. So very cool. Again, you'll have your 2 choices of color options. So versatile, still so slim as well. And again, look how slim it is with just the wallet on. Again, you have that strong grip without a case even. These natural magnets that are built in are just amazing. Take a look at this. You heard the snap. It's in place. And that's it. There is not a lot of thickness here. No reason to add an AirTag to another separate wallet, have multiple purchases. This is it, all in one, and what is going to be, what I think, the best option out there for you guys to pick up. I'll throw those links up down below. They are affiliate links. They help out the channel immensely. I appreciate you guys. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and if you have any other questions on it. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.